doing. Went in and into the dentist's office. This is okay. This is bad. Subscribe. MarkMorristool.com. Engineer building a $10 million business. Subscribe. Went to the dentist. This one was okay. Got to do some Invisalign stuff. And this part got to work on. The tooth, subscribe. So I had to have it taken out and then a temporary thing put in and all kind of stuff. Tell you, man, so happens when you turn 50. Teeth falling off, hips hurting, man. Dick ain't working no more. Can double X, Gen C, Generation C, Generation A, Generation F, Generation X. Subscribe. MarkMorristool.com. All I have to say, you got to go to the dentist. Don't put it off, man, because if you put it off, only thing that happens, it's going to cost you more money.